Instructions to students for writing Anna University examinations June July 2021. Please note all instructions mentioned here are specific to students or alumni of 4114 New Prince Sri Bhavani College of Engineering and Technology, Chennai. Who can write what subjects? Any student registered for November-December 2020 examinations, February 2021 special examinations, students who have recently registered from May 2021 onwards, they are eligible to write all subjects previously registered for November-December 2020, February 2021 examinations irrespective of their pass or fail result. Best of the two results will be considered. The higher grade will be considered as final result. Current students will also write their current even semester subjects along with the re-exam. Frequently asked question. Question. I had 10 subjects in November-December 2020 examination. I have cleared 7 subjects and I wish to write only the remaining 3 subjects now. To whom should I inform or register for the 3 subjects alone? Answer. There is no need to inform anyone or register. The college will send you question paper by mail for all your 10 subjects. You can answer and send soft copy, hard copy for those 3 subjects alone. Once we receive your answers, we will mark you as present for the exam. For the remaining 7 subjects, you can ignore the question paper received by mail. Next question. Can I appear for re-exam for subjects of earlier April-May 2020 examinations? Answer is no. Re-exam is applicable only for subjects registered in November-December 2020 examinations. How to find your regulation of study? For BE BTech students, if your register number starts with 43908, 43909, 43910, 411411, 411412, then your regulation is regulation 2008. If your register number starts with 411413, 411414, 411415, 411416, then your regulation is 2013. If your register number starts with 411417, 411418, 411419 and 411420, then your regulation is regulation 2017. Timetable can be downloaded from description box. Hall ticket. Hall ticket can be downloaded from COE1 website. Link is given in the description box. When you open the website, in the student login, enter your register number, date of birth and login. Hall ticket will be available in the registration preview tab. Hall ticket will be updated by university before 20th June 2021. It may contain all subjects registered, including the subjects you have passed along with date and session of exam. You can choose and appear only for the exams you wish. Question pattern. Question pattern will be similar to the one followed for offline examination earlier. Total 100 marks, 3 hours duration. Part A 10 questions, 2 marks each, 20 marks. Part B 5 questions, 13 marks each, 65 marks. Part C 1 question, 15 mark. For those regulations or subjects where Part C is not applicable, Part will be having 5 questions, 16 marks each, total 80 marks. External minimum passing for UG 45 out of 100, PG 50 out of 100. Exam timing: forenoon session, receipt of question paper from college 9 to 9:30 am, written exam 9:30 to 12:30 pm, uploading soft copy of answer sheet 12:30 to 1:30 pm. For afternoon session, receipt of question paper from college 2 to 2:30 pm, written exam 2:30 to 5:30 pm, uploading soft copy of answer sheet 5:30 to 6:30 pm. Exam requirements: 15 A4 sheets per exam, that is 30 pages maximum. You can write in both sides of paper. Printout of Annexure 1, which must be the first sheet where all details must be filled. Graph sheets, reference tables, blue or black pen, pencil, calculator, etc. Cloth lined A4 sized cover for sending hard copy, thread to tie the papers, printout of Annexure 2, which must be pasted on the A4 cloth lined cover, mobile app to scan the answer sheets to a single PDF, example Microsoft Lens. Link is available in description box. Annexure 1. Annexure 1, which must be the first sheet where all details must be filled. Annexure 2. Annexure 2, which must be pasted on the A4 cloth lined cover. Writing the exam. Exam to be written from the student's place or location. Students should not visit the college for writing exam. Group discussion, discussion of answers through WhatsApp, Telegram, other channels is considered as malpractice. Annexure 1 must be filled and kept as the first sheet. The back side of the Annexure 1 shall be left blank. Annexure 1 shall not be considered for the number of pages count. Use only blue or black pen for writing the exam. Other color pens are not allowed and can be considered as malpractice. Special marking in the answer sheet is also considered as malpractice. Top of each page, that is header, register number, student name, subject code, subject name should be written. Bottom of the page, that is footer, date of exam, session, page number, student signature must be written. Question paper. Question paper will be sent by email. Forenoon session 9 to 9:30 a.m. Afternoon session 2 to 2:30 p.m. For current students, to their registered college mail ID, register number at newprincesrebhavani.com. For arrear students, to their registered or updated email ID. Please check inbox or spam or promotional mails folder. If the question paper is received in spam folder, please mark it as not spam. The question paper will be in PDF format. Please ensure you have a proper PDF viewer. Question paper may be password protected. In such case, the PDF password will also be sent in the same mail. Question paper, if not received in time. If you have not received the question paper by mail even after 9:30 a.m. for forenoon session and 2:30 p.m. for afternoon session, please check all spam or promotional mail folders. Check your hall ticket to ensure you have an exam for this session. Call or message to the numbers given. Question paper will be resent to another alternate mail or WhatsApp for emergency purpose. This is only for one time. Please ensure that you update your mail ID with the college before the next exam. WhatsApp can be used only for emergency purpose. Question paper will not be sent more than once using alternate channels. Soft copy file details. Soft copy of the answer sheets must contain all the pages properly cropped without blur in the correct order starting with the Annexure 1. It must be a single PDF. In any case, only one PDF file will be accepted as soft copy. Multiple files cannot be uploaded or accepted. The file name must be compulsorily register number hyphen subject code dot PDF. For example, if your register number is 411412106087 and subject code is EC6801, then the PDF format must be 411412106087 hyphen EC6801.pdf. Files not conforming to the above specifications can be rejected and not considered as present for the exam. Average file size for 31 pages will be around 9 to 12 MB. Please try to ensure optimal file size. File size more than 100 MB cannot be accepted. Soft copy submission. Soft copy of answer script must be uploaded via Google Forms. There are separate links for forenoon session and afternoon session. You can visit our college website newprincesrebhavani.com. Click the link Anna University Online Exam. A new page will be opened and there you can choose forenoon session or afternoon session as per your exam session. Next, you get a Google form. Enter the details asked and upload your answer script and give submit. Soft copy submission access code. An access code is required while submission of soft copy through Google Forms. This code will be sent along with question paper on the day of exam. Ensure that you enter the code received on the day of exam for that particular session. Previous days or session codes will not be valid. The code is case sensitive. Enter as received in the mail. Soft copy submission. You have to compulsorily sign in to your mail ID to access the Google form for soft copy upload. Only one submission is accepted per session from a mail ID. Submission of more than one soft copy for the same student using different mail IDs will be considered as malpractice and all the entries will be rejected and marked absent. If you have uploaded a wrong file by mistake, you can contact in the numbers given for further instructions. Unless you have submitted a completely irrelevant file by mistake, resubmission is not possible. Even in genuine cases, resubmission outside the permissible time limit will not be entertained. Soft copy submission confirmation. After submitting your soft copy, Google Forms will automatically mail you a copy of the data entered by you along with the uploaded file to the mail ID entered by you in the form. This is a confirmation of your submission. The college will not send any separate confirmation. Please do not call or message regarding submission confirmation. If you have received the automated mail from Google Forms, your submission is definitely received by the college. Soft copy submission timings. The link to submit soft copy will be open for forenoon session 11 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. for afternoon session 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Submission beyond the above mentioned timing is not possible. The form will be closed. Any mails received with answer sheets will not be considered. In exceptional cases where question paper is delayed, technical issues from the college side, extension of submission time shall be granted as decided by the Chief Superintendent of the University Examinations, our Principal, Dr. T. Sharavanan. The decision of the Chief Superintendent is final. Further queries regarding extension of submission time for any other reason will not be entertained. You will receive a message like this if you try to submit outside the permissible time. Hard copy. After the scanning for soft copy is done, tie up the answer sheets along with Annexure 1 with a thread. The Annexure 1 must be the first sheet. Ensure all other sheets are in proper order. Remember to tie all graph sheets, A3 sheets if used. Place the tied answer script inside an A4 size cloth lined cover. Cover size more than A4 also can be used but not less than A4 since it would lead to folding. Paste the field in Annexure 2 on top of cloth lined cover. Paste the flap of the cloth lined cover using suitable adhesive or gum or tape. Sample hard copy, envelope and thread tied answer script. Hard copy. Hard copy can be sent by courier or registered post or speed post. Do not visit the college to hand over the hard copy. Separate covers to be used for each exam. Do not send multiple answer sheets in one cover. Post or courier the answer script on the day of exam or next day of exam. Keep the receipt of posting or courier safe. It might be required in case the hard copy is lost in transit. Students need not worry about the number of days taken by the courier to deliver the hard copy to the college. Your responsibility is just to send hard copy on the same day or next day. The college will not entertain any calls or messages with respect to confirmation of hard copy receipts. Hard copy must be sent to the address New Prince Sri Bhavani College of Engineering and Technology, Vengi Vasal Main Road, Santoshapuram, Chennai 600073, Chengalpet District, Tamil Nadu. Mock trial. Mock trial is held to check the correctness of email ID updated with us and to help the student familiarize with the soft copy upload procedure. It is not mandatory. A sample or mock question paper will be sent to the email ID. The access code to upload soft copy will also be sent. Students need not write any answers for the mock trial. Try to make a PDF of 31 pages by scanning some random handwritten pages to ensure you are able to properly create a PDF. Name the PDF as your register number subject code.pdf. Upload the PDF using the link available in newpanasribhavani.com website as mentioned in the previous slide. This will help you to understand the speed of your internet connection and ability to properly upload the soft copy. Do not send any hard copy for the mock trial. For any queries, you can contact the numbers given here. For non-urgent general queries, please post in Telegram group. Do well in your exam. Thank you.